right, it is Friday, January 14th, about 1:30 p.m. I'm near the airport in Nashville, and actually the Tennessee Air National Guard 118th Wing, and parked outside of that Quonset hut is Air Force One. So I misspoke earlier. It's not actually a Quonset hut. It has kind of a quasi Quonset hut look, but it's a hangar. And it's apparently Jill Biden, First Lady, uh, going over to Bowling Green, Kentucky to check out some of the storm damage from recently. So I don't really know what they call the plane when she is in it. If it has a specific name or not. Maybe you know.